So let's look here. Hot websites, top 100 and fastest growing. So we're going to get back here to our get paid, get laid, live longer, uh, expensive hobbies. But these are top 100 stores across Shopify that are being used by Shopify and the money they're making. So look at this. Fashion Nova. Average monthly revenue, 27.7 million. Holy smokes. I'm in the wrong trade. I got to get in the good-looking woman trade. 30%, yeah, it's selling bikinis, summer's coming. So you can look, right? I didn't click on that then. I promise I didn't, but obviously I did. And you can see how they're selling, how these top companies are selling. I mean, Game? GAIAM.com. GAIAM? Show bestsellers. All right, so you can see what their actually best-selling items are. That's cool, isn't it? So a chair with a lump on it is their best-selling items. Is this like for good posture? As I'm bent over backwards wrongly. This is what? Product monthly revenue, $500. It's a $120 chair with a bubble on top of it. High-rise balance ball. I would definitely fall off that. Oh, you got a video. Oh, I'm not going to play it just in case I get in trouble. Yeah, so, but you can see, right? Again, this is fitness and health. Fitness and health. Fashion, get laid, live longer. Live longer also helps you look better. What's this, makeup or something? Show bestsellers again. Wolf Club. Oh, this is back to that security company. Save people money into Colourpop again. Getting people laid. It's a fashion item. And you can see, look, bags. Here's expensive habits. Anybody who's going to spend more than $2,000 a year on their habit, I keep saying habit, don't I? On their hobby, will make money online. So mountain bikes, right? People spend fortunes on mountain bikes every year. They spend money going away on them, don't they? So here again, look at your mountain bike shop. You can see why it's doing well. You can see why people, obviously it'll have respect. It'll have social media presence. Bicycle Warehouse. How many followers? 22,000 likes. Bicycle Warehouse on Instagram. 3,000, right? But obviously it's an easy sell, isn't it? Here's a mountain bike and somebody enjoying riding it. Such a fun sort of category. Here's another one, City Grounds. But you can see bestsellers. You can see bestsellers for whatever you're looking at. You can see the monthly revenue. Site-wide monthly visitors, 3 million on this one. Everyonedoesit.com. Everyone does what? Everyone does it. Please I'm not going to go in there because that's either booze or it's bongs. Bongs. So yeah, they're selling drugs and shit. So information you can see. Eye candy obviously must be selling glasses, and I keep telling my friend who works at opticians to sell stuff like this online. Clear contacts, yeah, she can get contact lenses really cheap. I'm not sure if she's allowed, but she could start off at a shop like this. So yeah, again, helping people look better. Oh, I like that. Let me go back to that. If you haven't got a Shopify store, look for my Wheelio. I've probably blown it now. Let me go here. Let me just show you this. As you're leaving, it's called Wheelio. And it's going to give you, here, it gives you an email. It's the only time I've ever put my email into this. And it gives you a discount. If you look for my YouTube videos, I'll show you Wheelio. And it spins and gives you 24 hours to use a discount code. It's actually really cool. But that, just like thinking 20% off, that's probably what you're going to get. So yeah, I digress. Sorry. So what you can see is hot websites. Websites that are working. Websites that are selling things. Again, model. Don't copy direct, but model what they're doing. Model what they're saying. How's that working? Look at this one. Expensive hobbies. This is going to be selling snakes. Holy shit. Snake t-shirts, right? Again, it's a niche website. Expensive hobby. If you're going to spend $2,000 on a snake, you're going to spend money, right? How much is a corn snake? Corn snakes aren't that expensive. Oh, look, there's a scaleless corn. A scaleless one. Possible head. Cream sour scaleless. So that one's like, would be like, this one's cheap in shop next to these ones. Anyway, so you can see hot websites. You can see it's just information at your fingertips, isn't it, to give you better insights into working websites that are winning websites, because there's a lot of websites that aren't winning, isn't there? Fastest growing. So these websites, look at this one. This one's up 20,000%. Bicycle warehouse we went to. Bellamy Hair. So now we can see the hot ones that are really growing fast. So what are they doing? So these are actively working this month. They've done something this month or in the last month. Look at this guy selling guns. Bravensealment.com. What's this? Putting guns, like hiding guns. IWB inside a waistband custom. Holy shit. So yeah, so up nearly 1,800%. So you can see websites that are on the move, that are month on month currently getting better. The fastest growing e-commerce websites, finest stores as they go viral. Learn from what they do. So again, model. View a website, look at it and go, right, that's what they're saying. I'm going to say the same sort of thing, but in my words. Eden's Garden. It's probably something sexual. So yeah, really cool. Again, information is king, isn't it? Information for you is completely king. The more you know, the better.